Hello guys, what's up and welcome back, it's Zach. I hope you're all getting into the holiday spirit as much as possible during these challenging times. In this video, I'm going to be talking about oils for your skin. I'm going to go over what oils should be used for what skin type, the benefits of them, and how to implement them into your skincare routine. I'm also going to touch upon my favorite oils. Let's jump into it. Before we dive into certain oils, let's talk about what oils are. Face oils are considered to be an emollient. They help soften the skin. They smooth the skin's edges and help soften the skin, and they can also help with texture. They help strengthen the outer layer of the skin, so that would be the stratum cornea. And they can also help seal in hydration and prevent water loss, which of course we love. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same sweatshirt as a different video, I am just filming everything in one day. I wear clean clothes. Another thing about face oils is they are typically plant-based. With that being said, oils don't need to necessarily just be used on your face. I oftentimes will mix in an oil in with a hand cream to moisturize my hands even further, especially if they're really dry, cracked, and irritated. If you haven't seen my top 5 body moisturizers, I will leave the link up here. I incorporate these into my skincare routine when my skin is extra dry. If you have dry skin, you might want to use oil on an everyday basis. However, oils are not just for dry skin. If you have an oily skin type, you're going to want to use a linoleic fatty acid oil, and if you have drier skin, you're going to want to use an oleic fatty acid oil. Linoleic is a lighter oil, and it works better for people with congested and oily skin, whereas oleic is a more thicker and richer and hydrating oil. This is also good for mature skin as well. Some oils that are great for oily skin that are more linoleic is going to be grapeseed oil. This one I have here is evening primrose oil. This is by the brand Botanical Beauty, and even plant-based squalene oil is also going to be a great option. If you have more dry skin, you can use, like I said, more of a oleic fatty acid oil that's going to be a little bit thicker and richer. And those are going to be things like argan oil or Maracuja oil. I have been loving this one from The Ordinary. The Ordinary has such great oils. What you look for in an oil is you want it to be 100% that oil cold pressed. These are perfect examples right here. I have the 100% organic cold pressed Moroccan argan oil from The Ordinary, and I have the 100% cold pressed rosehip oil. These are phenomenal. The Ordinary makes really great oils and they're super affordable, and they are 100% whatever oil and cold pressed. A lot of people think that different oils are going to have much different benefits. It's just not really the case. Like rosehip oil might have more antioxidants in it. They're not going to make that dramatic of a difference. Another great oil is Maracuja oil. This one is a little bit thick, and I do prefer this on my hands. Argan oil has also been shown to show benefits in the scalp for hair growth and the tips of the hair for softening. Oils are a great thing to pick up, especially from The Ordinary. They're super affordable and they have multi-use. You can use them on your hands, on your face, in your hair, in your scalp, for many different benefits. Again, if you do have a more oily skin type, you might not feel like you need an oil, and to be honest, you don't really need one, but they can be helpful to help soften the skin. Personally, I never use oils in my T-zone, like near my nose and my forehead, because it usually creates a lot of whiteheads and blackheads. I also find that skin is already pretty soft and I don't really need the oils. Incorporating these into your skincare, like I said, oils are considered emollients, and therefore you should be putting on some sort of a humectant product first. So that might be a hyaluronic acid serum like from the Inkey List or Neutrogena's Hydro Boost, and then your moisturizer, and then your oil. Or if you don't use a humectant booster, you can just go ahead in with your serum, moisturizer, then your oil, and then your tropical vitamin A if you use that. So essentially, it's going to be your last step of your skincare unless you use a tropical vitamin A. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I know that oils have really helped me, especially in the drier months. It's not a bad thing to pick up and just have in your skincare stash when you need it, but it's definitely not something that I think everybody needs daily in their skincare routine. Unless you do have dry skin or a lot of texture on your skin, you probably don't need to incorporate this into your daily skincare routine. I'm wishing you guys good skin health, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.